previously.
What?
What? What?
What?
What? What?
What?
What? What?
What?
What?
What?
What?
A new Sump arrived. It's not new, second hand, but basically new. Whole lot better condition than what I had. So it's been hot washed and then sandblasted and just sprayed with some rust preventative stuff. So I've got some satin gloss that I'm going to put on it on the outside just to make it a bit nicer. But I've just gone and welded in the drain, so I ripped that out of the old sump, cut it out and then tied it up and put it in here. So first time using a TIG welder. Went to a mate's workshop and had a bit of a play with some pieces and then took to this with the TIG, so it's pretty hoary, but I don't know, for first little go it's not too bad. It's all sealed, so it'll work, it'll do the trick. So yeah, just a matter of tidying this up, put some more paint on it, probably clean the edges here so the sealant sticks to it nicely, and then stick it in the car and hook everything back up and fill it with oil and hope that it doesn't leak. Yeah, should be a whole lot better. There's way more stuck on there, so not going to go anywhere, and way better condition sump, so should be good. So while I'm doing the sump, I'm also upgrading the oil feed line for the turbo. So you saw in the previous video I took it off. The line that's underneath here is just sort of a soft braid. It's not really holding up to the job, so I sort of perish a bit and start leaking. But then also here the actual fitting is actually failing as well. The thread's actually stopped. Well, yeah, it's worn out of here, so you can't actually tighten it up anymore, so it's just pissing out everywhere. It's just making a mess. So gone to a full braided line, like a pre-made unit. It's like a way shorter 90 on it, and it's a little bit longer, but I should be able to make it work. Yeah, and then heat shrink, or heat covered as well. So should hold up to it a bit better than what the other one does. So that will hopefully stop oil sort of dribbling down, which was an issue as well. Sump's now drying. It's all painted up. Got the heat gun on it, drying off a bit, so it should be pretty good. Once that's dry, I'll put some sealant on it, just some, there we go, some grey RTV, that should do the job. Smear that on both the sump and on the splash, what is it called actually, the girdle, drip tray, windage tray, that's the one. So yeah, put the oil pickup back on and put the girdle back on, back it all back together. So yeah, you have to excuse the rain, it's pissing down outside. It's probably quite noisy, but hopefully you can hear me alright. New Sump is on, all bolted up, all tight and all sealed. What lovely stuff to work with, that silicone stuff. RTV, but does the job, I suppose. Made sure I smeared quite a good amount on both the sump and on the windage tray. Got the oil drain on there, it's all happy. Yeah, looks the part. Hopefully it doesn't leak. New turbo oil feed on. A little bit longer, so it sort of routes a little bit around the back and then back through, but still pretty natural flowing, so it should be fine. Drains in the correct spot, so that should be fine too. So just a matter of putting some oil on it now and cracking it into life. All Gucci. Everything seems alright. No current leaks that I can see. Torch ran out, so yeah, I think I'll call that a night. Call that a successful night. It's good to go.